Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change Outlook email display. So if you look at here, this is kind of display I'm getting and I wanna change this. In order to do that, just head over to view tab. If you look at here, we have the option called layout. This option will depend what kind of ribbon you're using. If I expand that, here you can see that option for ribbon. If you're using classic ribbon, you need to look for the option reading pane, and if you're using simplified ribbon just like me, then you need to expand this option layout, and just underneath we have the option for reading pane. So by using the reading pane option, you can change the Outlook email display. If you wanna switch your preview on the right side, you can select this option show on the right, and your email display will get changed just like this. Again, if you go to layout, choose this option and set this on bottom, you're gonna see this kind of display. So you can just change the email display by using this option. The one which I usually prefer is this one, show on the right, and of course that's up to you. Whichever you like, you can use that. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.